following
gorilla.
contest is a last man standing match. Making his way to the ring from Vancouver, British Columbia, weighing in at 468 pounds, Earthquake.
Oh boy, we're in for a treat tonight. Both of these superstars look geared up and ready to go. The fans have been demanding this one-on-one contest, and here it is.
Come on.
And his opponent, representing the outsider, from Detroit, Michigan, weighing in at 328 pounds, Kevin Nash.
Oh boy, we're in for a treat tonight. Both of these superstars look geared up and ready to go. This is what it's all about. Two competitors going head-to-head to decide which one is truly the best. What's this? Well, I don't think he wants to win. Misstep and the ambush is foiled. Yeah, good thing too.
I'm doing it. Come on. I said,
Just when he thinks he's going the one way, his opponent takes him another. He's got his eyes set on his chest.
Stinky.
Let's discuss Earthquake for a moment.
We're going to find out a lot here tonight. Head-to-head, no excuses. Let's get it on.
Hey, Cole, let's just cut to the chase and see if the rest of this match is exciting as the beginning has been.
Oh, get down.
He's certainly showing us something new from his repertoire.
That's cool. I like new stuff. Oh, what a shot.
Here we go with the count. He's got 10 seconds to get back up to his feet.
Don't do me. I'm a gorilla. What the fuck? Fuck you.
That strike hit the spot.
Fuck you.
There's no way he could have avoided
Come
that.
on, touch me, Stinky.
A knockdown, drag-out brawl, complete with a big stomp.
Man, these guys are throwing bombs. They're pulling out all the stops.
It's Kevin Nash on the receiving end. I don't think he expected to be in this position here.
And it looks to me like neither of these guys are showing signs of pulling away here.
Oh, it's been a great match up to this point, and this could really go either way.
I'm a very holy gorilla.
What in the heck is going on here?
Come on, Stinky.
Oh, man! Hit by a sledgehammer!
Oh, this isn't good. And it's just getting worse. I wonder if the referee is too intimidated to do anything. At some point, this madness has to end.
He's taking damage to the back of the head that render most men completely immobile.
And he may be immobile after much more of this abuse. I don't like how slow he is to react right now.
Oh. Oh, Stinky. Don't do that.
You don't see that move every day.
I'm about it not good enough.
He's down, and now the official begins the count.
Not every move is designed to get the fans off their feet.
He's down, and now the official begins the count.
Don't do me, you stinky.
Looks like Kevin Nash is starting to stumble. And at this point, how much more does he have to give?
I completely agree. And if I'm him right now, I'm starting to get a little concerned.
Sometimes you have to be bold and not be afraid to take risk, Michael.
It looks like he's going to test the effectiveness of that move.
Fuck you.
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
Oh, man. The
This
ref's
is better.
lost control.
Back me.
And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here
Back.
tonight. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He may very well run out of gas. Looks to me like he just hit a wall.
Let's not count him out just yet, Michael. Everyone in that ring is taking deep breaths, even the referee. I'm not counting him out, and neither should you.
And I must say, this entire match has been right down the middle. I have no idea who's going to win this one.
He's down, and now the official begins the count.
That's a first. What a move. Definitely sets a tone for the evening.
I like it. Nash is looking to inflict some big-time pain.
Kid, just look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight.
Oh.
Earthquake looking a little hobbled here. I'd say he's starting to feel the pressure a bit.
You got that right, Michael. And this is where we find out exactly what
Don't
this
do
guy
me,
is made of.
And given the aggressive outpouring we've seen so far, I wouldn't be surprised if this one was over sooner than later.
Don't do me.
There's Big Sexy, all right. Kevin Nash is a master of playing mind games.
Fuck you.
Kevin Nash is looking for the decisive end.
And here comes Kevin Nash. Too much.
Fuck you.
And he gets out of the ring, stopping this assault for the moment.
Oh, man, look at Earthquake.
Perhaps looking to take the action to the outside here.
Perhaps. It's happening, Cole, right before your very... Oh, hammer the ribs. He may have broken his ribs.
Oh, don't do me.
Night of Champions, the one night out of the year when you're guaranteed, and this heartless attack continues.
Oh, man. This is getting tough to watch.
Well, that's the first time we've seen that move tonight from either locker room.
I gotta love it.
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
You're right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here.
Nice reversal.
Fuck you. I said fuck you. Fuck. Fuck this camera, you fucking idiot.
Folks, it was in the city of Houston, Texas that Stone Cold Steve Austin did the unthinkable when he aligned himself with Mr. McMahon at WrestleMania 17.
Wow. He's still down after that.
Here we go. The officials counted again. Will it be for the last time?
The physicality of this match is off the chart. I just hope that no matter what happens, these competitors can walk out of here on their own volition.
Rolling out of the ring. and it might be time for him to reassess the situation.
Fuck you.
And that one hurt his hand.
Fuck you.
At this point, everybody gets a bit of a breather. You know, that happens so rarely in a match, you sometimes forget as the aggressor to take advantage of this time.
Kevin Nash. Oh, he's going to put this one away quickly. There he goes. Got him up.
If that doesn't do it, then what will?
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King, but I still don't see him giving up.
6, 7, 8.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Somehow found a way off the mat.
Direct hits like that help put your opponent away fast and early.
Don't ever hit me, Stinky.
And a great shot there from Earthquake.
That shook the ground.
Over there.
There are a few events over the course of the year that feature more on the line than Night of Champions.
Go over there.
It looks like Earthquake has got the momentum.
Yeah, he's on a roll.
We've seen this before.
Yeah, I thought we were stuck on a rerun there for a minute.
And now Earthquake pushing forward.
Yeah, and everybody knows it's hard to stop an Earthquake. He's showing no signs of letting up.
Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was...
Over
Oh my God,
there.
his body's been through hell, and his ribs
wanna
have
do
bore
you
the
there.
brunt of the attack.
Man, I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe.
Remember the last time he executed that maneuver.
The impressive combination of kicks. Man, look at Nash go. This is a...
Here we go. The officials counting again. Will it be for the last time?
Not over yet.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Do the fucking
Few
move.
superstars are as dominant as this guy.
If he can't get to his feet, this will be over. But I got a feeling he'll drag himself up if he has to.
This match ain't over yet.
Don't do that ever again.
He anticipated that move perfectly.
I'd say that's more embarrassing than anything else.
What an elbow drop.
This is insane. Does this building have a curfew? I feel like we might be here all night. What a beating.
Watch out, Cole. Fasten your seatbelt. Earthquake's ready for a goal, and Earthquake makes him pay for all that. Yeah, and his opponent's really hurting now.
Now it's gut check time. This has been so exhausting.
This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical.
Never fuck with me. I'm a very really large gorilla.
He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup. Ooh, a little showboating going on here.
Here's your winner.
Right now,
I'm not done with you.
And now it is show-off time.
Don't waste waste time gloating here. Oh boy, Earthquake letting everyone know what's on his mind.
Yes.
This is the confrontation we've all been waiting for.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
I think he's through playing around.
Oh, Earthquake. Oh, Earthquake. Look at this. Oh, look at Earthquake making his move.
He got it with the butt splash. Oh, there it is. What a maneuver. That's how you put away an opponent. I love it.
Look at that. Oh, my gosh.
How will these guys do with absorbing the punishment they're about to receive out here?
Making tap. Yeah, I'm a very large gorilla. Don't fuck with my boots. Ever again. Don't fuck with my boots.